what?
No, I'm good. Just watching you.
How are your batteries doing for the Hawk?
Oh, they're all good. Do you have a spare model on your radio? Or the DX5?
DX6i.
If you have a spare model on there, you don't have all the models used up, do you?
No, I don't have all the models.
Okay, then we'll just choose a spare one for the Hawk.
I'm just doing light tours.
Yeah, don't pop them again.
Oh, he's flying the Tornado. Do you think this plane's fast?
It's not meant to be, but for what it is, it's plenty fast.
Well, the guy that owned this before put a bigger motor in it.
What is it in there now?
It's a 60. It's a 46.
Oh, it's 46 instead of a 40?
Yeah.
What size prop though?
I'm not sure. It's a small one though.
9.6 or 10.6?
I'm not sure. 10.6. It's pretty small. The only modification that I did to the props where I painted them yellow.
Okay. So you can see them.
Your friend's a really good flyer.
Which one, Frank?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Really good.
Thank God I have throttle cut on here.
You just push the button?
Yep, just button.
Yeah.
Rock and I'm done. Wanna fly it?
No, I'm good. I've flown everything. I've flown so many things. I used to have, I taught people how to fly on a plane like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it electric or?
It was gas, just like that. Same plane, but the stock motor.
Touch and go!
I think it was either a 35 or a 42.
Touch and go from the left.
Oh, thermal.
Never mind.
So that was all like second hand.
My engine almost died.
I heard it. Is that you or is it? Okay.
That's me.
Okay.
Can you see what timer I'm at?
You've got 256.
Thank you. So are you usually here on Sundays?
Sunday's usually my day. It depends on the weather though. If the weather's not going to be good Sunday, I'll come on a Saturday. The weather's perfect today though.
No wind at all.
Yeah, so I'm going to fly my F-15, and once I'm done with that, then we'll figure out how to get this thing hooked up to your.
Oh, I can just bind it to it if you want me to.
I know, but we got to get it right first. We don't just bind and go. We got to bind.